Thank you for defeating the final boss. Let's take a picture today, I agree. Oh look, there's a porta pop. Oh look, there's a porta pop. There's a porta pop. Thank you for wanting this on the hoover, Luigi. That was so kind of you. And I'll dust on the hoover. I want to say thank you for defeating the final boss. That was so kind of you, Luigi. And I'll dust on the hoover. I'm not gonna hoover you anymore. Oh. Thank you for defeating our boss for me. I lost on the hoover. How does it feel to be on the hoover? It feels amazing. Did you defeat King Boo? Yes, I did. They're in the hoover right now. But everybody is on the hoover. Thank you for letting us on, Luigi. You're most welcome. Thank you for letting us on, Luigi. Brr, brr. Is that my phone? We want to say thank you for defeating the final boss. And what everybody on the hoover just now. Him who's on the hoover just now. The moon is fast. The moon is fast. Let's take a picture together. I agree. Let's take a picture together. The moon is back fast. Well guys. Well guys, that's the end of the video. Bye.